Now, heading out to this railroad tunnel called Willow Valley Tunnel. It's a railroad tunnel, and I'm almost there because there's across over there, and then you have to go down across over there. I have to cross this bridge. So yeah, I've got to make this very, quick, short beginning video, and then I will have to stop and get into do another video. See, it's a very, you see this? Yeah, I'm gonna pick you back up later. I'm back only a few minutes because you can see the crossing way down there if you can. And here's the entrance to the Willow Valley Tunnel, built in 1900. Yeah, we're about 3 or 4 miles outside of town. Oh yeah, and we're coming up to it. There's all kinds of things out here. Creek I fish with is over there on the side of that hill. There's a creek there I usually fish. Get up here on the tracks where it's easier to walk. I tried to make this video yesterday, but I recorded way too long, and there's too many things that weren't that cool in it. I've been out here this year. I saw the track zones out here since I was out here yesterday. I think it was yesterday or the day before, I can't remember. Urban graffiti. Yeah. I haven't been out here since trying to do it the first time, and again, before that it was, I was a teenager. And I guess that's I don't know if that's their lighting or someone to get out of the way of a train or something coming through. I don't know if that's 200 feet or yards. If I record everything on the walls, it's like nearly 20-minute long video. seniors. Wonder what senior year that was. Number 8. Huh. Wouldn't be possible. I can look up, find out who donned the jersey, number 8 jersey on the basketball team. It was like really dark in here. 250. Oh my Lord, I tell you. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Yeah, I like this one. This one, whoever did that pretty cool. They did a pretty good job on that. Hold on. Little. This one here is odd. This is unusual. I don't know what that is meaning. I'm crossing. There was water in here, right in there yesterday. There it is. It just drained back. Yeah, it's hard to see what this is like. Huh? Dust or a bug flew by and saw flashing the light across the screen. Yep, that's a sign at the end. 450. Here's another cool one right here. Like a tree. Yeah, that's a tree. Artist has been out here. You can tell, teenagers have been out here. And another one. And another one for 2-0. Rest in peace, Pac. All kinds of numbers out here. I'm getting closer to the other side. 520 and another 500, 420 again. Man, these kids are freaking. I don't get why. I never understood why. I get it in a way, but it's just a little over the top, I think. How many people actually will see this? Besides other teenagers, people like me that explore. places like this. And again, Lord, no, I can't be filming that stuff. I can get below this. And now we're at 550. More years people's been out here. There's 7/15, 2000. 7/16, 2000. And you can see the sign shining right there, and then the other light you see in the video is the exit. I'm getting closer to the end. My phone doesn't have that night vision option. Only thing I can use is the light on my the flashlight on my phone. Yeah, there's her. 437. There we go. 700 feet. Seven to 8 feet. Man, there's a load of lights. A lot of kids like to come out here and get high, I guess. Yeah, I prefer to do a lot better. I used to like, when I was a kid, country cruising. Yeah, that was bad. Country cruising was a bad thing. I don't know how me and my friends survived doing that stuff. Driving under the influence. And there's the exit. You know, almost out of here. Almost out of here. I'm gonna come back through here again. So yeah. I'll try to get some of the stuff on this other wall. Making on my way back a few things. But yeah. I'll record a little bit of on the other side when I exit here. 2009. That's for money, money, money. Yeah. I think I know who that is. Now, these people just carved it in the name in the wall. Now, here's the exit. We are coming out. Yeah. I think I went to the top once when I was younger. How about we do that? I'm gonna take you to the top. I'm gonna have to stop this to get to the top. Man, that was a hard climb. Got the part where it's really steep and slick, and there's a briar patch in there. Can't tell. We're almost to the top. I'll have to find me a better way down. Wow. Huh. Can't tell. I am at the top. I don't climb up. I'm not gonna climb up on this. Huh. Whew. I'm gonna have to take a breather before I go back down. Well, you can't tell I'm breathing heavy. It's a heck of a climb. Be a heck of a walk back up from up here. Wow. Huh. Pretty nice up here. I see why no one comes up here, because it's such a hard time to get up here. That water runoff area, man, wow. That water makes it slick as heck. I'll record until I try to find it. I think there's a little better way, just a little ways that way. There's a field over there. Huh. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have a seat, take a break, catch my breath from that climb. Yeah, I'm coming back out on the other side. Caught my breath, found an easier way down from the hill over there, and there really wasn't much on this other wall over here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Whew, it is. Feels good in here though. That little climb on that hill made me sweat like crazy, man. I'm drenched in sweat. Feels good to sweat again. Been cooped up inside most of the winter, so yeah, can't really tell. Only time you can tell if I'm panning the camera is if I flash into the light. Yeah, there's the other side. This place is old. You can see it's hard to tell, but there are, kennel-fired bricks. The old red fire bricks. Now, that's what's on the other side. You see the definition on them on the wall, but yeah. I like old structures like this. I wish there was had cameras and YouTube and stuff like this, like we do today, like when I was a kid. There was this one place that was cool as heck, man. It was really cool. Place where they brought in like oil and stuff and on train, and then they shipped it out in trucks from there for the regional area. Yeah, it was cool. Yeah, I've been an urban explorer before there was such thing as an urban explorer. The word urban explorer. So yeah, I'm sweating like crazy. Yeah, it's me. I'm clean shaved. I'm good. Yeah, I'm signing off here. We'll run all this through my video editing, and I'll talk to you all later. See you later, YouTube viewers. I'm your host, Mikey, signing off.